Hi, welcome to Andrew's Craft Obsessions. Do you like this toy? This can be a wall hanging in your kid's room as well. If you want to know how to make this toy, you have come to a right place. At the end of this video, I have also included a couple of tips that would help you to avoid any mistakes you might make in the process. Oh, it's not complicated, it's quite easy. I'm sure you will enjoy watching this video and making this art. So now, let's get started. First, I made the templates for back of the hair, front, face, arms, legs, and finally ears. I transferred the templates onto the cardboard. Next, I cut them out. Here are the cut templates. I painted all of them and here they are. Now I have started assembling all the pieces. The toy that we are making is called pull string toy or marionette. Marionettes are the toys which has string on the back that pulls arms and legs of the puppet, and the string is not usually hidden or covered, but there are some of the marionettes where the string is hidden or covered with the back piece, and that's what we are also going to do. First, I positioned the arms and then made the markings where I wanted them to be. Then I moved the arms and made sure that they are not colliding each other when they move. Then I picked up the whole piece and saw how they look from front. And then I put the masking tape to keep them in the position for now. For the legs, I positioned the legs where I wanted them to be, and then I made marking only for one leg at this time and put the masking tape on that one. Then I made sure both the legs are in the same level and then made marking for the second leg and then put the masking tape on that as well. Now my all arms and legs are in position. For Mickey's arms and legs to be movable, they have to be anchored on something, and that's why I am putting nails through the pieces, and I'm also making sure both the nails are in the same line. If they are not, then the toy wouldn't work well. If the cardboard is sturdy, it is almost like wood because it holds the nails well and the nails don't tear the cardboard apart. Now I kept the back piece of Mickey on the nails and made holes in them so two pieces, the front and back, will match each other, and when we look at Mickey from front, the back piece wouldn't show up. I baked some polymer clay beads. Since the nails I used were too long, I decided to use smaller nails. The beads don't only keep the nails in position, they also keep the arms and legs from sticking to the body. I needed 8 beads in this step. I hung legs and arms on the nails, and I made the holes that are diagonal to original holes. These holes will be used for stringing the rope. The rope is going from bottom up from the left arm. The second end of the rope is going from bottom up from right arm. Then I hold both the ends of the rope and pull them together to make them equal on both sides. One end of the rope is going under the middle part of the rope, and we do the same with the other end of the rope. Now the rope from left arm is going from bottom up in the right leg, and from right arm to the left leg from bottom up, and then under the rope, and here also under the rope as shown. To check the working of this toy, I put the beads on the nails, and here it's working. I put the knot on the rope and placed the back through the holes and replaced the beads. The beads fit perfectly on the nails, but I added glue on top for extra support. I strung the bead in the rope, made a knot under the bead, and you can see the loop there. Through the loop I put a keychain that will give some weight to the rope that will keep the legs from crossing. Here I made a hanger to hang Mickey on the wall. And here's our dancing Mickey. Isn't he cute? When you make holes, make sure that you don't make the holes too close to each other. Otherwise, the rope will break them and come off. Make sure that you use a very strong rope, because if it breaks, then the toy won't work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's meet in the next one. Happy crafting!